Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to learn all trigonometry formulas. Start by understanding the core identities like Pythagorean and reciprocal relationships. Don't just memorize, grasp how each formula is derived from these basics. Visualizing the unit circle is crucial for understanding angle relationships and function values. Consistent practice with these foundational concepts will build a strong base for more complex formulas. This approach makes learning much more intuitive and less about rote memorization. Once you understand the derivations, focus on effective memorization. Flashcards are excellent for active recall. Write the formula on one side and its name or application on the other. Mnemonics can transform difficult formulas into memorable phrases, making them easier to retrieve during tests. Implement a spaced repetition schedule, reviewing formulas at increasing intervals. This method significantly improves long-term retention, ensuring you don't forget them quickly. Understanding and memorizing are just the beginning. Applying the formulas is key. Solve a wide range of problems, from simple substitutions to complex proofs, to see how each formula functions. Work through example problems meticulously, paying attention to every step and condition. This practice helps you recognize when and how to use specific formulas efficiently. Look for patterns and relationships between formulas, which can simplify problem solving and deepen your overall comprehension. For advanced mastery, try teaching the formulas to a friend or study partner. Explaining concepts aloud helps solidify your understanding and reveals any gaps in your knowledge. Utilize online resources like educational videos and interactive quizzes for different perspectives and practice opportunities. Remember, consistent effort yields the best results. Also, for those looking for great deals, check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other fantastic offers. Investing in quality tools, whether for learning or daily life, always pays off in the long run.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.